Now I nest the choose function within sum function. Active this cell. Click in formula bar. Enter equal sign. Type sum function. Open bracket. Type choose function. Open bracket. First I add the values in value 1, 2 and 3 arguments. Then I will type the number in index num argument. Enter comma. In value 1 argument, select the total price cell references values. Enter comma. In value 2 argument, select the discount cell references values. Select the cell references range. Enter comma. In value 3 argument, select the price cell references values. Select the cell references range. Close bracket. Again close bracket. To return sum of price values in this cell, in formula bar you can see price values are in value 3 argument. Type 3 in index num argument. Type 3. How this formula work? Choose function returns the third value from value 3 argument. Then sum function sum the cell references range values of value 3 argument. Press enter key. You have sum of price values. To calculate sum of total price values, paste the formula in this cell. Active this cell. First make the absolute position of cell references range. Click in formula bar. Press F4. Click after the cell references H5. Press F4. Click after the cell reference I11. Press F4. Click after the cell reference I5. Press F4. Click after the cell reference J11. Press F4. Click after the cell reference J5. Press F4. If you do not make the absolute position of cell references, when you paste the formula in other cells, cell references will be changed. As a result, you will not get correct result. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Press mouse and drag right. Active this cell. Click in formula bar. You can see blue color cell references range show the total price values. This cell references range is in value 1 argument. Type 1 in index num argument. Type 1. Press enter. You have sum of total price values. In this way, choose function is used in an Excel worksheet.